Does this happen with you too? You get a topic to write on and you're absolutely confident that you know everything and you'll give your best. However, while organizing all the information in logical and meaningful paragraph, your mind goes blank. Well, here's a trick that can help you score 8+ bands in IELTS Writing Task. Hi students, this is Sukanya, IELTS trainer at EduNirvana. Start using paragraph to organize your essay into clear parts. Make sure each paragraph contains clear and developed topic with a minimum of 2 sentences. You can use the acronym PEEL to frame your essay step by step. Where P stands for point. You'll be stating your point in the paragraph. Then comes example, where you'll be stating an example which supports your point. Then comes explanation, where you'll be explaining how the evidence is supporting the point. And finally, a link, which is the transition to the next point or paragraph. This will show that you can organize and present your thoughts and ideas logically. If you have any queries, please leave comments below. For more such IELTS related content, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like, share and comment.